Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a custom voice in ElevenLabs quickly and easily. So without further ado, let's get started. So first, I want you to log into your ElevenLabs account. And once you reach the main dashboard, look at the menu on the left side and then click Voices. So this section shows the voices connected to your account. Next, go to the top right corner and select Create or Clone a Voice. And then you will then see two options, Instant Voice Clone and Professional Voice Clone. The instant voice clone is the faster choice, while the professional voice clone is designed for a more refined result. So simply choose the option that fits your needs. And after that, record your voice directly or upload an audio file you already have. Try to use a clear audio that captures the tone, emotion, and speaking style that you want. Then follow the instructions shown on the screen to complete the setup. And once the cloning process is finished, your custom voice will appear under the My Voice section. And from there, you can select the voice and click Use Voice to begin using it. So thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.